2, 3, 4.
You walk right through the shop, Fernando.
You violated.
You walk right through the shop.
I'm drunk as fuck. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
I'm a sport bougie bitch and I'm looking for a dog who go all night long and his grip so strong, money real long. He don't play about his phones.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in the eardrums. I ain't never scared like bone crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go. Throw shade, that's a no. Go high, go low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Not your girl on a hanging down ridge. It's dangerous as hell. Y'all. Ooh. Jesus. It be bouncing too hard. You walking too hard. Oh my God, y'all. It's dangerous as hell. They ain't say we was gonna do this. I do not remember this part. Shit! Alright. I did it. Woo! I did it.
Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like bone crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no.
It's like ice water. You gotta think of it like you're taking an ice bath. No. This is like just cold. This is ridiculous. Woo, man. You can do it. Come on over. That's nice.
So cold. That shit gets deep. You see, I start to sink like
Yeah,
this.
yeah, it's got a good, it's got a drop off, yeah.
Right there.
You can see where it gets dark right there. can see where it gets dark. Alright. Flashing me pretty good.
I really want to mold it so how do we get up here? No, we have to swim over here no matter what.
She gone.
Oh my God!
She gone. She's doing it.
You're really close! You're all the way there! Halfway.
Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go. Throw shade, that's a no. Go high, go low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top from the baseline. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up.
Man, this thing rocking. Maybe it's me because I'm walking fast. Or maybe it's because it's a hanging bridge. Who knows?
So many on my ass, I think I need a kennel. Flexing like insurance, but you riding in a rental. Think your man need a leash. How we staring at my figure, get down on your knees. Show me that you really with it. It's a hot girl, summer ass clapping like thunder. If you wanna be my dog, I can put you on my roster. Ain't no calling me your girl, ain't no telling all your partners. Send them back to the kennel if he disobey his owner, bitch. Walk. I walk these niggas with their dog ass. I walk these niggas with their dog ass. I walk these niggas with their dog ass. Baby, ain't no stress. You think you a player? I'm a teacher. Ask a lesson with bitch, give a fuck about your feelings. Is you tricking or not? I need a trip to the spot. Oh, you big masses. I ain't know he with your dog. Keep him on a tighter leash, cause he running through my yard. Next time, I'ma keep him. I got room for him all. I like big dogs. I know how to take charge. Ass smacking, hair pulling, pin me up against the wall. Baby, you know who to call. Pussy like a waterfall. And if he ain't got no money, I ain't really trying to talk. I'm a spoiled bougie bitch, and I'm looking for a dog who go all night long. And his grip so strong, money real long. He don't play about his phones. I'ma fuck him real good and walk his ass like a dog, bitch.
She cheated?
You see? She cheated. I'm gonna jump on.
Wow.
I'm gonna jump on out. That's it. It's over. It's over. I
Oh,
want
she
my
took
money
a shortcut like you said.
She's down there. She's down there.
No tip for her, that's it.
Why'd she leave us?
She had shortcuts, a little witch.
Not a witch.
You can go like this or that one. Those are the hottest one or this one. You get like for 5 minutes, and then you come here. That helps like open the pores, and if you have bug spray or sunscreen, you can have to take it off. Then you come here. He's going to provide you a cup of honey mud. You are applying your skin, let it dry, and then if you want, you can go to the river, just wash in the river, or you can go to the showers that are over there. But if you don't want to do all those things, you can go in. Just go in the pool. You can see the details of the temperature in each pool. You can see here how hot it is. Like
That's 100 degrees.
Fahrenheit. You can see another one over here, and also in the other side, you can go to the bridge and go to the open.
Y'all, the hot springs are like hot. Like it feels like a jacuzzi. Like a real jacuzzi. Wait, put the towels with our stuff.
Me that you really with it. It's a hot girl summer, ass clapping like thunder. If you wanna be my dog, I can put you on my roster. Ain't no calling me your girl, ain't no telling all your partners. Send them back to the kennel if he disobey his owner, bitch. Walk, 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 walk. I walk these niggas with their dog ass. Walk, 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 walk. I walk these niggas with their dog ass. Walk, 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 walk. I walk these niggas with their dog ass. I walk these niggas with their dog ass. Baby, ain't no stressing. You think you a player? I'm a teacher. That's a lesson. What you know about tricking? What you know about finessing? Baby, I'm a cold bitch. Give a fuck about your feelings. Is you tricking or not? I need a trip to the spot. Oh, you big masses. I ain't know he with your dog. Keep him on a tighter leash, cause he running through my yard. Next time, I'ma keep him. I got room for him all. I like big dogs. I know how to take charge. Ass smacking, hair pulling, pin me up against the wall. Baby, you know who to call. Pussy like a waterfall. And if he ain't got no money, I ain't really trying to talk. I'm a spoiled bougie bitch, and I'm looking for a dog who go all night long. And his grip so strong, money real long. He don't play about his phones. I'ma fuck him real good and walk his ass like a dog, bitch. Walk, 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 walk. I walk these niggas with their dog ass. Walk, 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 walk. I walk these niggas with their dog ass. I walk these niggas with their dog ass. I walk these niggas with their dog ass.
These beautiful tattoos that I am just look at this, look at this,
What's up, y'all? It's a lot of people in there. Hey! She's mad coming in late. Just 10 minutes. We was trying to charge my phone. I had to charge my phone.
What's your name?
Jade.
Jade. Good number. Better. Where you going?
Shots. Tequila. 2, please.
No, it's working. I'm gonna leave it over here. It's working.
She's talking. You got it. Wait. You're talking. Barely made the bus.
We almost left
You gotta
them.
give them a pass.
We did almost leave them on the excursion.
It feels good.
I mean, you did just get married.
Hey, but put the camera down. Turn it. You missed it.
No.
I got 2 shots.
You waited too late.
I got 2 shots on me. Let me turn this way so they can see all of us at the bar.
We don't make it.
It's more. Yeah, black people taking them to work.
We found us.
Oh my God.
We found us.
Shit. Toast.
Wait, you got them. She got them.
Where you from? Houston. Yes.
Can I have a napkin? What's happening? Shot more. Order shot.
More shots.
Y'all together? Y'all all together? Wait,
No.
We met them on the excursion.
Yo, she ain't playing right now. No, she's serious. No.
Wait, what happened? Edwin, know what we need.
Edwin, preferred.
What's that? Why are you splashing? That's what you need.
Yes.
Now we have more.
I'm sorry. Why did you do like this? You look fine.
I get it. You know what? I thought mine.
Period. Okay. Period. We need more shots.
Yeah, you need a lot more shots.
No, it wasn't 6. Yeah.
We ain't that far behind.
We need like 4.
She said 4.
We ain't that far.
Ain't that far behind.
4 shots right now.
What now?
They close at 6.
6.
Yeah. We gotta take this. I'm saying we gotta take all the shots right
What
now.
time is it?
Shots. More shots.
Yo, I'm going to fuck my dick will work right now.
You close at 6?
Did you hear him?
What you saying?
I'm drunk as fuck. My dick won't work right now. Oh my God, he's hilarious.
You girls are bougie.
Let them know.
Costa Rica, that's right. Bougie. They are bougie. We got Shirley
You know how it is. They don't appreciate shit, right? They don't know what it is. Oh, where we at? I'm bored. What we at? What we doing? I'm bored. What we doing? Hello.
Everybody's saying. I was in my house. He almost 50, and I'm in my, you know.
Hell yeah.
How you gonna walk right through
What
the
you
shop?
saying?
How you gonna
You photo bombing, man. We were in
Texas, where? Texas. Somebody must have put that What's your name?
She from Brownsville.
I'm working as fuck. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
We didn't realize. You almost got shot. You
strapped?
You almost got shot, but I know.
Not strapped in Costa Rica.
God bless you.
I know what time that is. Don't get in trouble.
You better go check in. Okay?
Not checking.
Better go check in.
And where you guys from?
Houston.
Texas. Oh, that's the other. Where was he from?
I was in Houston last week. Really? Yeah.
I got a good girlfriend in Houston. I
was there for work. Everybody in Houston.
Everybody needs to come.
Everybody in Houston.
Everybody in Texas. Everybody in Houston.
I was just there for the Papa Dome. Okay, you my friend.
When you guys get here?
Sunday.
We got here Monday. She got mad. She's too used to it.
Nice.
You know, I'll be 42 Sunday.
I'll be jumping all the time.
42 and
of them need it.
No shot, no shot.
You got that baby face. You look like
Oh, wow.
you look 21. You look young. You look so young. Yeah.
Black don't crack, man. Black don't crack.
Wait. Shout it to Costa Rica Part II.
No, she with her best friend.
Well, we did it to Margarita.
Can we get 2 margaritas?
Video, she got to be recording. She's going.
I do.
It's going. It's going. Look at that.
These are my new friends.
Yeah.
Costa Rica, baby.
We in the building, you know, we in the building, baby. That's how we do, baby. Jersey in the house.
You was just checking. When you turn around, we said, "Oh, look at that booty. She got that body right there."
Yeah, she been working for us.
Shit, I don't prepare. I got this head. Let the jiggle, willy, jiggle.
Hey, you about to say your husband.
Y'all know I'm from Texas, so I had to get some tahini in my margarita. Okay, spicy margarita. I never told nobody that.
That's the icing on the cake. That's the icing on the cake.
Never told that.
Who does that? That's the icing on the cake.
Exactly.
He's trying to impress his dad.
You
Like,
FaceTime your
Daddy,
dad?
I'm not gay.
You FaceTime your dad?
And so he's trying to tell their daddy, look, my brother's the same way. They're trying to please their dad, because their dad probably got some hard feelings about you in a gay way. Oh my goodness.
Exactly.
That's icing on the cake.
Just listen. I never told nobody that fucking story.
Wow.
Just listen. What's it called? El Patio?
Correcto.
Yes, I heard y'all say it earlier. El Patio.
You going to the night?
Sí.
What time? ¿Qué hora?
Well, okay, all right. What time y'all going?
8.
8? What time is it now?
7.
It's 6:55.
Okay, well, we gonna go at 8 when y'all go.
Okay. We leaving now, so we gotta get ready. I gotta take water.
Water. But after I finish my margarita, then water. Then water. Yeah.
That's cool.
Y'all. Yeah.
That's cool.
Because you know we about to turn
What's your
up.
name?
Period.
John.
I like y'all. Y'all fun. Y'all fun as fuck. I like y'all.
Stop this flow.
I saw the look you were giving me when I was changing the radiator in your car. I put a whole radiator out, put a whole new one in. You're like, oh, okay.
Listen, a nigga that can fix something, that's the nigga you can fuck with. Okay? Let me tell you. What the
Fireworks
fuck is that?
again?
That's all I'm looking at. Look, it sounds like some homegrown. It sounds like some home fireworks.
Brown fireworks?
Some homemade shit. It ain't popping that hard.
I don't see nothing there.
I don't see nothing in the sky.
I don't
It
see
sounds
nothing
like
there.
some homegrown shit. Portofino. It's a Portofino.
What's the Italian?
Italian. For you, please? Let me see our friend. Hi, guys. I'm We were looking for you guys. We're over there. Okay. Yeah.
They might have. I ain't seen them. I'm looking at I looked at this window, so I don't think they received it yet. So they might have.
No, we wouldn't have saw it from the window. We wouldn't have seen it. We had to come into the door right here. Yeah. But this is they came at like 7, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so they've been here for about a minute. They're probably like on their way out.
Yeah. Well, now, I'm starting to wonder if they had the thing in there. It is.
Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
God damn. Let's not let him feel threatened in any way. Damn. He big as hell.
I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
No, I don't know where he went. Okay, there you go. So you finally seen her.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all.
Yeah, mangrove. No mango. This mangrove tree. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, this is one of the parts of the mangroves that you have around this area. And the mangrove tree is this tree that you can see here in the front, right? It's a tree that it don't give fruit, right? It's spread by the roots. It's different, right? But then the roots that he have, you can see, it's do two different jobs. So let it drop in the water, the roots come from in the sky. Close to the water, below. Tim Day is walking like, they call him the Michael Jackson bird. He always dancing, right? Him over there, the right name of that bird is the sandpaper. He stick his beak in the ground and take out small little crabs, small little things out there. That's the reason why they call him sandpiper, right? There, that island is named Bolaños Island. This one right here. Okay, that island, it belongs to Costa Rica, but it is into the sea, right? So, in the limit of the sea, anyone can use that island, right? But nobody can establish over there between Costa Rica and Nicaragua.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line business take no calls.
That's why I wanted to eat it, because it's in my lap and it started dripping already in my lap. So I was like, okay.
No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top from the baseline. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Eat the mango, Costa Rica.
That mango don't stand a chance right now.
Oh, gross. Wow. Octopus is good. Oh.
Calamari.
Yes. Oh, gosh. Oh, he's big.
It's like a grouper.
Okay.
De ventana, puro haciendo el ojo. ¿Y lo que es chancho? It's like a ready.
One more.
Levántale la.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top from the baseline. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Recommend us for the tour. It's good for us because then more people can come visit us. Listen your experience about the tour of the day. Wasn't a great thing, but then it's just a little bit of Costa Rica, so you guys can see part, not close up there in the resort. You guys come out and can see how people live around, you know, and spend a little bit of time. So thank you, folks, you know. Pura vida.
Pura vida. Mario on camera.
I'll come right back.
Thank you, Mario. The tour was nice. Thank you. Thank you. Mario, come see Mario on the beach for the ATV tours. Yeah. Got him. Got him.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504.
Alright, now, you know, I like you. He gonna fill our water.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You little thieving ass. Why you knock that shit down? You bad.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the basement. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7.
How you gonna take both? How you know both of them was for you?
I remember nights I was poured up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Again, what's today? Wednesday? Yeah. We went ATV riding earlier this morning, and now we're gonna go chill at the pool and eat and get some snacks. This is a bathing suit that I sell on my website, and I will soon also have these hats as well as these beach bags. So give me a second, and I got the hat and the beach bags, but the swimsuits are most definitely available now and on hand. 2 to 3 day shipping anywhere in the US. So, yeah.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
No, we coming in here. Let me get like I look though.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
Right through them
Secure the
motherfuckers.
bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Just like it.
I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush.
We went to do ATVs. Did y'all go on the boat yet? Okay. Is there still room for more people on that one?
Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Raw like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the basement. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, he's bored up. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poured up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car, giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my shit.
Too real, can't cap. I don't gotta lie, only stay facts. No, you're not a killer, you was not a nigga. You my place, you don't care if I touch you. We just fuck, but I can't say we still my crush. This smoke gon' take me straight to space, it'll be long nights.
He's gonna die by the booty rub. Now he's gonna die by the booty rub. I gotta get the footage. I gotta get the vlog footage. I gotta get the vlog footage. We in Costa Rica. I gotta get the video. You got too many videos. There's never too many videos. What do you mean?
And Jay, we don't do the videos.
We do the pictures.
Sometimes you be doing some. Well, listen, Jay, I don't know about
Girl, I be putting it all on video. I don't care. I done done some things in real life. Worse than what I done on video. Okay.
I don't know.
I ain't worried about that.
You did it? You did it already?
Yeah.
I got a corporate job. I gotta be like I can't be posting. It can't be like you fired.
I've been like you. When a lot of times we say the same shit at the exact same time.
Because
that ain't being like you.
Why you thinking like me? Because you want to be me.
I'm thinking like you because I want to be like you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Jay.
Obviously, right?
Okay, Jay. Okay. Got
You want to be like me? It's okay.
That's you. Got same initials, JB.
Oh, so I'm trying to be like you.
Yep. Got same initials. After they asked our name again.
Right, bro. I done said that shit like 3 times already.
And that, we done told that dude how long we're gonna be here.
Right, they been asking me, wait, when did you guys get here? So how long are you guys gonna be here?
So,
nigga, I told you that literally 3 times yesterday. Right. Like, niggas be, let me tell you this, what's this place called? Dreams. Dreams Las Mareas.
Those dreams have
the drinks at Dreams Las Mareas, baby.
No, them niggas ask the same question.
You gonna be turned
3 times in 2 hours. You
gonna be lit.
But man, they good people though.
Yes, y'all. We done found, y'all seen on the vlog. I showed them earlier, so the other days. Like, we found our people.
We did.
Found a group of us, and we all from other places. They from like Jersey. They from like up north, like,
yep.
You know.
Yep.
And we different.
Yep.
But they funny. We had good conversations. You know what I'm saying? They funny.
Great time. Beautiful time.
You hear the ocean? It's loud. Look out there. It's black as fuck. You can't see nothing.
Look at that star we always see right there. You got to scoot down.
Where is that?
The twinkling one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Look at it. Yeah. It's shining blue. Have y'all ever noticed? Okay, so do y'all ever like look up at the sky? Have y'all ever noticed how the stars be like doing this? I don't know how to explain
Twinkle.
it. It's twinkling, like it's like it's moving, like it's the lights are doing this. So whatever is making the light, it's moving up there. It's like flashing at you like this. Maybe I be hot. I don't know.
We need a hell of a drug.
We need a hell of a drug.
Nigga call that water.
What? What the fuck you mean the color of this water? What you did? I'm finna get out.
I ain't doing nothing. I'm just saying, look at it.
Don't do that, because I'm already been sitting in it. Why would you say that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
I'm just trying to encourage you. Go ahead and have your business.
I'm in titty deep in pissy water. You want to tell me? I'm having a good time. I got a margarita. Let me be ignorant and enjoy the pissy water on my own, okay? Okay. God damn. He gonna say, look at the color of the water. Look, this water, I ain't gonna lie, this water yellow, gray, it's all.
And then they put the light on it to let
it's
you see.
murky as a motherfucker. That's what, let me say that, it's murky.
Nah, we want to drink it, we supposed to be sharing.
Sharing?
Man, she didn't even drink it.
And you talking about sharing mine?
She didn't drink that at all.
Barely?
Nah, she didn't drink it. I watched it.
But Dreams Las Mareas, I ain't gonna lie, this whole lit.
Yeah, this mug nice, man.
This mug nice. It's
nice.
lit. It's really like, it's so much of everything here. It's space at the beach. There are countless pools, cabana seats, chairs. Like, if you and who the people you went want like a section to yourself in the water or something, you can have that. It's so much pools here. Oh, yeah. You can literally be by yourself.
It's nice. Especially you can get away and be by yourself at night until them little crabs come out. I had to throw that out there.
Anyways.
What they call?
Nah, but them hermit crabs, I ain't gonna lie,
crab.
y'all. I'm real adventurous until it get down to the I don't know, let me not say the animal shit, because I was fucking feeding monkeys M&Ms today.
Out of her hand.
I fell in love with them monkeys' hand touched my hand. They grabbed it out my hand. Me. So it's like, I don't know. I just don't like the crawly, like I don't like the hermit crabs. I don't know what it is with the monkeys. I said it like 3 times, like, wow, so apparently I'm not afraid of monkeys. I found out today. I didn't know, you know.
Yeah.
Gave us some. She was like, yeah, they like the M&Ms. And so she gave us the M&Ms. After that, they was eating out the palm of my hand, literally.
Yeah. And now I'm saying you in love with monkeys.
Now I love monkeys. Now I want one. I want to touch it. I want to I kind of want to hold it, but I'm scared of that part. I don't know about.
If you have them in your house, you can't have nothing around them.
Oh yeah, they getting everything. They got into like the maid's cart when they cleaned the room. He took some toilet paper, he opened it, and once he realized it wasn't food, he threw that shit on the ground. And then they went over there and was going into the trash. He went to the trash can and immediately started just taking it out. Everything he touched, he threw it. Threw it. The thing is, they got hands. So you gotta think about that before you have one of them in your house. They got hands.
They
can
know
do
how to open
whatever
packages
a little,
like humans.
Imagine a 2-year-old times 10 million. Look at it. It's turning colors for real. I need a telescope.
See, there you go again.
Hey, nah, y'all seen that? That was him, and I had said telescope first.
When you rewind that, you gonna see who was saying it first. I started saying it first.
Nah, I said it first. Hey, bro, get out my head. Damn. Get out my head.
I didn't even notice it until you showed it to me on the video.
It shocked the hell out of me. I said, because I only saw me, but I could hear your voice in the background say exactly what I said. Yep. I was like, wait.
All I can say, I know my position. Yeah. I know where I stand. I know where I stand. That's no telling how many other times we've done that. Somebody loud somewhere.
Oh, it's a raccoon out there. I see him. This is what it's looking like outside right now. Today is what's today, like Wednesday, Thursday? Today's Thursday. It's been sunny like every day. Like it looks like this every day. When you wake up, this is what it looks like every day. And actually it's light like this like at 5 in the morning here every day. So now we are getting ready to go, I guess, eat breakfast down at the it's like a buffet hall or something like that, and they serve breakfast. So this is what I'm wearing. This is one of my favorite dresses that I have, and I like wearing this dress on vacation because, I mean, look at it. It's got countries all over it, and it's got the back out. You know, it's a vacation dress and it's long.
Everybody's professional about that. Wow. Like Mark Wayne say, wow. Y'all gotta try all this shit over here.
All of it. Everything is good.
Everything good.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like pom pom pom. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season, shine bright as the season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam.
But I like the shininess. It's giving beach space.
days is growing, okay? Y'all, I'm gaining weight. I'm gaining weight by the day. I'm gaining weight by the hour, by the minute. But your girl's getting thick out here, okay?
Look at the sunset behind us.
You know, we couldn't put our drink down.
Right.
Only she can get
Y'all, look, the water's up to my titties, y'all. Yeah.
Only she can get away with that. Riding her phone on ice.
Sounded like you're wasting your time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again.